डिअर स्टुडंट्स, ज्ञान विज्ञान आणि सुसंस्कार यासाठी शिक्षण प्रसार या ब्रीद वाक्याने प्रेरित शिक्षण महर्षी परमपूज्य डॉक्टर बापूजी साळुंखे यांना मी प्रथमतः अभिवादन करते. मायसेल्फ प्रोफेसर सौ ज्योती alias मनीषा संजय पाटील फ्रॉम स्वामी रामानंद भारती विद्या मंदिर अँड ज्युनियर कॉलेज तासगाव. वी आर ऑल फ्रॉम विवेकानंद शिक्षण संस्था कोल्हापूर. Here we are seeing for 12th standard word formation. Word formation, this term comes under language study. In that vocabulary, word forms, there are 4 word forms we are going to see: noun forms, adjectives, verbs and adverbs. Here is a slide showing you the introduction of word formation and word forms with the help of prefixes and suffixes. Let's see the next slide. What is word formation? Nouns, adjectives, adverbs and verbs. These are the word forms. Word forms can be formed by adding either prefixes or suffixes. You are knowing actually what are prefixes and suffixes, but I am revising you. Prefixes are added before the root word, main word. Prefixes, you may say, pre means before, fix, attach. So, the prefixes are added before the root word. And what are suffixes? Suffixes are added after the root word. Suffix after the root word or main word. See 2 examples I had mentioned here. First is empower. In this, power is the root word and em means m is the prefix. Before power, em is added. Second example shows you careful. Care is the root word and ful, full, is the suffix that is added after the root word care. So it becomes careful. Empower, according to word form, it is verb and careful is adjective. Okay, let's see the next slide. Word formation is in front of you and noun forms with suffixes are introduced in this table. There are 7 examples. Suffixes mentioned, the root words are given and their noun forms after adding the suffixes. Okay. See the examples one by one. Arrangement, softness, appearance, allocate becomes allocation, oppress becomes oppression, refer becomes reference and serve becomes service. In this last E, serve, E is not there. In place of E, we are putting I. Okay, service. So remember, these are the noun forms with suffixes. Let's see the next slide. It is word formation where adjective forms are shown to you with suffixes. In this, suffixes, the root words and their adjective forms are shown to you. 7 examples again. Root word help becomes helpful. Care becomes careless. Agree becomes agreeable. Danger becomes dangerous. Express, expressive. Nation, you are knowing. National. Affection, affectionate. In this way, we have seen the suffixes full, less, able, ous, ive, al, and at. These are added to the particular root words and the adjective forms. Let's see the next slide showing you word formation. Here, verb forms are with prefixes. Prefixes, as you know, the part added before the root word. Okay. Let's see 6 examples in front of you. Friend becomes befriend. Power, empower. Courage, encourage. Peace, appease. Appease spelling is different. See, PEACE, peace, showing you silence, quietness, and it's a verb form APPEASE. As you are knowing the word practice, PRACTICE, it is noun, and PRACTISE, it is verb. Okay, in that way, such type of difference between the spelling. Next example is company becomes a company, and use becomes abuse. Let's see the next slide. Verb formation, where verb forms are with suffixes. Suffixes, as you know, are the parts which are added after the root word. 7 examples are in front of you with this table form. First is class, classify. Bright, brighten. Different, differentiate. Bath becomes bathe, BATHE. Pronunciation is bathe. Relief becomes relieve. Factor, factorize. Energy, energize. Okay. Many times you may have using these words in day-to-day life also, and you are knowing this, but try to understand these are verb forms with suffixes. Okay. Let's see the next slide. It is showing you word formation where adverb forms with suffix ly are in front of you. Adverb means what? Adverb is equal to adjective plus ly. Whenever there is adjective form, if you will add ly as a suffix, you will get adverb. So it's easy for you to mention adverb forms. See the examples, total 7 examples. Adjectives and adverbs, both you can see here. Clever, cleverly. Double, doubly. When it becomes double E is not there. See the spelling. Quick, quickly. Glorious, gloriously. Beautiful, beautifully. Happy, happily. Where Y is not there, becomes I. Happily. Expressive, expressively. In this way, whenever you are adding suffix ly to the adjective, you will get adverb forms very easily. Let's see the next slide showing you word formation activity. Here you are seeing the activity match the suffixes with the words and make nouns. Such type of activity is given in 12th textbook. You may try to find out it, and it is on page number 10 of our textbook. Let's see the examples. 7 examples are shown to you. Auction. When you add EER, means here it is activity. You have to match the perfect suffix to it. Okay. And so the answers are shown to you in this noun column. Okay. Auction becomes auctioneer. Enchant becomes enchantment. Know becomes knowledge. Prepare becomes preparation. Proceed becomes procedure. See the difference between the spelling. Proceed, Proceed, but procedure is Procedure. Next is appear, it becomes appearance. And the next one, remark, becomes remarkable. In this way, this activity is solved to you, and you will get the idea easily with the help of this activity. Such type of activity may be there in our activity sheet. Next slide. Word formation activity, again it is showing you complete the table. This activity is again in our English textbook. You have to search this activity on textbook page number 22. There are some more examples there. I had chosen 7 examples here. Let's see this table. Some forms are given in the table and some are not given. Whatever not given, I had mentioned the answers and underlined it. So you are getting ready-made answers with this table form. At first, they had given verb agree, and we have to write the remaining word forms. Noun agreement, adjective agreeable, adverb agreeably. Next they had given noun form admiration. Its verb is admire, adjective is admirable, and adverb is admirably. Number 3, adverb is given to us avoidably, and we have to find out the other forms. Easily you can find adjective avoidable, then verb avoid, and noun avoidance. Next example showing you adjective attractive. Attractive, its adverb is attractively. You are using many times this word, and verb form is attract. You are getting attract towards many things. Next, noun form is attraction. We have attraction for many things again. Next example showing you noun form is given ability. Its verb is enable, its adjective is able, and adverb is ably. Number 6, example given is adjective form alarming, and see its noun form is alarm. With the alarm, you are getting up early, waking up early, but sometimes you are stopping the alarm. Its verb form is alarm, and adverb is alarmingly. And the last example is showing you adverb form is given differently. Its adjective is different, its verb form is differ, and noun form is difference. This word also you are using many times. And see the next activity. It word formation activity showing you rewrite by changing the word class. This activity is again in our English textbook on page number 22. What is there? See, the examples are shown to you, and in the bracket the word form is given to you. We are changing the word form and using the required word form in the given sentence. I had already mentioned these word forms by underlining them. See, Lena was eating a very crunchy apple and obviously enjoying it. Crunch is the root word. It is showing verb and we are using crunchy as adjective. Next is this picture looks colorful. Color is noun. We are using colorful as adjective. Third is I am afraid that your behavior is just not acceptable. Accept is verb. Acceptable showing you noun form. Number 4. I like my elder brother. He is very helpful. Help is the verb form and helpful is adjective. Number 5. I asked him to sharpen my pencil for me. Sharp is the what? Sharp is adjective. We are using sharpen as verb form. Do you get it? We are changing the word class and using the particular required form word class in the given sentences. Such type of activity also should be there. So in our activity sheet there will be 3 extracts, 2 seen extracts and 1 unseen extract, and there the activity regarding vocabulary is related with this. Or maybe if there is activity showing you spotting the errors, there also you will have the help from this slideshow of word formation. Okay, now thank you all. We are going to meet again. Okay, see you.